Stock options are a common form of employee compensation. Let's look at how they work and why companies offer them to their staff. Equity represents ownership in a company. When you hold stock options, you have the potential to become a shareholder in the future. The strike price is the fixed cost at which you can buy company shares, regardless of what the market price is at that time. Options aren't yours immediately. You usually earn them over time through a vesting schedule designed to encourage long-term employment. Unlike restricted stock units, or RSUs, options require you to pay money to buy the shares, which carries a different set of financial risks. If the market price rises above your strike price, you can buy shares at a discount and sell them for a potential profit. Tax rules for stock options can be complex. Consulting a tax professional is often a smart step before exercising your grants. Review your specific grant agreement to understand your rights. This was educational content, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.